Beatus Essay, this is High Priestess Yashodhara Singh. I know I have not been putting a lot of DIY spells of late. It's been a while. I've been very busy. Thank you for understanding in advance. Today I'm going to show you a very, very simple spell. I speak to so many of you, and so many of you know that I'm addicted to chai. So I wanted to show you a spell that you all can do with chai. The best thing about this is that you can do this every single day, but only once. Okay, so I'm going to show you a design. Make yourself a cup of tea. I've almost finished mine. And this is only for chai drinkers. Okay, this is not, you cannot do this spell before you ask me for just a glass of water. It has to be made on a cup of tea. That's the design. So this is what you're going to, once you've made your cup of tea, doesn't matter, but it has to be a glass. Okay, it can be a see-through or a glass like so. It can't be a plastic glass. It has to be a kanch ka glass. Okay, this is the design. So you can stop the video here, learn it, or take a mental memory or draw it aside so you know how it is made. You're going to make it with your right index finger. This is my right hand. You're going to make it with your right index finger right on top of the glass. Don't put your finger inside the chai and then burn your finger. Okay, make this design like so. So you're going to make it like this, exactly the way I'm doing it, on the air on top of the chai ka cup. Okay, just the way I'm doing it. I'll repeat it again. There we go. First the edges, then this peach-like shape, then the center portion, the little side, and then the inverted V. You will be making it like this. Okay, this is what you're going to do. So the meaning of this is that this tea has a calming influence, and with that calmness I thank thee, O Undines, for one wish you grant me today, harming none. Now listen carefully. Undines are one of the spirit elements. Each element, all the elements that we worship in white magic and Wicca, has one spirit, and the most important and the senior most spirit of water is Undines. So we are asking the water that has been made with the tea that we are about to have to grant us one wish. So this is one wish per day. Now please remember, when you're drinking the chai, you must make sure that you already have a wish in mind. Don't think about anything which can harm anyone. Please don't do something like that or take advantage of somebody. Look at your gain. I'm all for it as long as it doesn't hurt or harm anyone, because that is not the Wicca way. By now you should know that. Also, please remember that if you make 3 cups of tea, and if you have one, you can't ask your child or your husband to ask for the other wishes. The person drinking the chai has to make the wish, number 1. Number 2, the wish can be for you or for anybody else. Number 3, it has to be once a day. It does not mean that you need to have a bath. Sit down and do it any time of the day in 24 hours. Once a day, you can make this design on top of the chai ka cup, on top of the rim of the glass, because this is considered to be the circle. So you make the design on top and think about it. I want everyone to be happy today and everyone to be successful today, and then drink the chai. That's it. Okay, so this is your spell. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.